A few months ago, well, not like 1 month ago, a month ago, Maya and I moved to this apartment, and it's on the river. But I haven't had a chance to go fishing yet because we've been taking out the boat a lot, and that's a lot more fun. Oh, a kitty cat. But there's a lot of jacks out here by the river. There's a lot of weird fish out here by the river that I've never targeted. I've never caught. Oh, I stepped on it. Gross. So I'm gonna see if maybe we can catch us a jack. We'll see how it goes. All right, this is like the fourth attempt I'm making right now to catch a fish on the river. All right, this is round, I would call this round 5 of me versus the Jack Crevalles that live in my neighborhood. Whoa. All right, this is attempt number, I want to say number 6. Try to catch some jacks by my apartment. We'll see how it goes. All right, this is attempt number, attempt number like 6 or 7 to try to fish out here.
Not for me.
At the back, yeah, not for her, but for me, yeah. I was kind of successful the last time I came out here, but it was late at night and I wanted to go home. And now it's only like 4:30 or so, so I'm hoping I can catch me some snappers and maybe some Jack Crevalles, maybe, I don't know, who knows. We'll see how it goes. Well, I had quite a successful outing last time I was here, but I did not have my cameras ready, so I didn't really catch any of it. I hooked a tarpon and he spit up my bait, and I hooked up a couple of smaller Jack Crevalles. So I know they're still around here, but that was a few days ago, so we'll see if they're still here. We'll see how it goes. All right, I pretty much lost track of how many times I've come out here to try to fish for a Jack Crevalle. I caught a little one the other day, and I'm hoping to catch a bigger one this time. We'll see how it goes. All right, this is what we're throwing down. Circle hook. Piece of squid. And we're gonna throw that out there, about 25, 30 feet out. Right there's a good spot. Wow, the fish are super quiet right now. Not getting any bites. Oh, finally, some bites. Oh, feels like a good fish. Oh, what? Did you let it go? Oh, it's just a small. Oh, what? Look at this. It's a good sized grunt. Alright, alright, alright. Huh. This thing's got another piece of something hooked on it. Ouch. There you go. Got there. Alright, we're gonna give the shrimp a try. just cause try something new.
Oh yeah, it's good fish. Oh, it's a good fish.
I think this is a really large croaker. Jesus. That's a nice big croaker. Oh, there's a fish on there. Jeez. Little feisty one. Uh-huh. Little mangrove snapper. Little tiny one. Ow, 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 ow. Don't be mad, bro. There it goes. Pretty fish. Get out there. Got a little one. Just a little guy. Oh, it's not that little. Oh, a little jack. Oh, there he goes. Little jack. Watch him go, watch him go. Little tiny jack. Look at this little guy. Ooh, held it. Oh, well. Little jack Crevalle. Going back in the water. A nice big French grunt. Nice pretty fish out there. I think we got another jack or something. Yeah. And here goes our pocket-sized Jack Crevalle. Back in the water. Oh, good job.